Hello friends, this is Prashant here. Today we'll see how to start and stop the HBase in Hadoop. Let's begin. Uh, we have to go to the Ubuntu system first, where the Hadoop installation has been done. So we have to go to the HBase directory, where I have installed the Hadoop system. This is a Hadoop related, HBase related directory where it's having the all the bins and bin folder having the Hadoop HBase related scripts are placed here. So we have to start if you want to start the HBase, we have to use start hbase.sh command. We have to run this script. If you want to stop the HBase, we have to execute the stop hbase.sh. So let's see how it is. So first of all, we have to move to the HBase directory. So we can also execute in a terminal. So before executing the HBase, I have to enable the Hadoop system first. So let's see how it can be. So I have to go to the Hadoop directory and I have to execute the start all.sh where I have starting the Hadoop system sh. So let's go downside. So I will execute this start minus hyphen all dot sh where it's going to be start the all the nodes of the Hadoop system. This is a mandatory before running the HBase. So we have to start the Hadoop system first, then we can go to the HBase thereafter. So this is going to be start the Hadoop system. So if you want to know the what are the nodes are started, so we can execute the JPS command. So it's going to be show you the what are the nodes are started so far. Name node, data node, secondary name node, JPS, task tracker, job trackers. These are the things are started. So then we can open other terminal where HPA is going to be started. So let's move on to the other terminal. So this is the directory where we are in. So we have to restore the files. So we have to go to the cd Hadoop folder. So we have to execute the HBase, right? So we have to go to the HBase directory. So we have HBase installation is there, HBase setup is there, where we have to go to this folder. So we have a bin folder is there. So we have to execute the below command under bin directory. So we have the set of commands are available here. So I will go one by one. So right now we are in this phase where we have to start the HBase. So I will execute this command where it's going to be start the Hadoop system, HBase system. So it's going to be start the HBase. So after that we have to execute the JPS command. So it's going to be restore the HMaster. So apart from this HBase, earlier we started a Hadoop system. So where all the nodes are started. So if you want to HBase going to be started, so we have to execute the JPS command where HMaster is going to be startup. So now let's move on to the command list where we we have to see which HBase is started or not. So we have to uh, go to the HBase shell where we can able to perform some operations on HBase. So we can execute the HBase shell command. So it's going to be prompt for HBase. So after this, we can go to the Firefox where uh, we can see HBase is started or not. So see here, HBase prompt is came, so we can execute the HBase related operations, whatever we want. So let's see how before that we can see whether the HBase is started or not. So to know HBase is started or not, we have to go to this port number 60010 where HBase is going to be start. So I'm executing this URL. So this is the HBase is started right now. So it's having the master no master server, region server. So we have backup master is there. We have list of tables are there, and tasks is there, and attributes are there. So these are the things we are ran so far. So these are the list of tables already available. So if you go into the any of the table here, so this is a table test where it's having the attributes, regions, region by server. So all the options are available. So like this, right now HBase is started. So if you want to exit from the HBase, so we have to execute the stop all sh, or we can execute the stop HBase sh. So let's we see how we can stop the HBase. So we can exit from this HBase prompt, and after that we can execute sh. We have to execute stop hbase.sh under bin directory. So by this hbase is going to be stopped. Hmaster in indirectly it's like it's going to be stop the hmaster. After stopping the hmasters, we can go to the Firefox and refresh browsers. So we can able to know whether this is stopped or not. So it's stopped right now. So its web page is displaying as a you know 404. So after this, we can execute the JPS command where we can able to know see like H master is stopped. So we can able to see all the remaining nodes. So if you want to stop all the remaining nodes, we have to go to the uh, Hadoop system where you can stop all command is there where you can able to stop all the other nodes related to the Hadoop system. So thanks guys. This is a basic intro for HBase running how we can run HBase for beginners. So thanks a lot.